Let's make some fun Christmas earrings with these square molds. By angling these, the resin will cure with a tapered side profile instead of a block. I have some resin left over from my Christmas ornaments project with silver and golden craft glitter. A quick stir before pouring keeps the glitter from sticking to the bottom of the container. Otherwise, only clear resin would come out. This space is reserved for the silver resin. I am going for a mirrored look for this earring design. Let's get those edge bubbles out with a toothpick and feather the resin a little before finishing. Now, a quick blast with a heat gun will take care of any surface bubbles.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
You can see that the side profile is a little distorted because the resin climbed the walls a little and made the top rectangular. I will correct this to get the angle I want by sanding. The pieces are bubble free. The glitter has settled well as I expected. And this finish is great. My canvas is ready. Before I proceed, here is the list of materials to make a little Christmas magic. You will need to prepare resin earring bases from a mold of your choice. I used a square mold here with glitter colors to evoke the festive spirit. Sandpaper to prepare the canvas surface. Tube beads in festive colors. Jewelry accessories to assemble the earrings. I'm going to use earring hooks, jump rings, and rod connectors in a silvery steel finish. Red and green beads to emphasize the festive mood. UV resin for doming the beaded design surface. And crafting tweezers to handle the beads. The edges are a little bumpy on the sloping side and blocky towards the top. 80 grit sandpaper will make quick work of this. Water prevents micro resin dust from flying around, and sanding also gives the edges a better grip for the UV resin I will use for doming later. There we go. That's the tapered side profile I was after. Much better than a rectangle. This is why I cured the resin on a slope, propped up on that stirring stick. Now my gorgeous earring pieces are done and they are ready to be assembled. I hope you enjoyed this project. Happy holidays and have a wonderful day.